To get the latest on it all from California, we can cross over now to our correspondent, Alyssa Caverley. Alyssa, California, one of the states where cases are surging in recent weeks. Any idea as to why?
That's right, and this little thing is the reason that most people are citing, especially Gavin Newsom. California Governor Gavin Newsom is saying that wearing masks, people are not following the rules. As you had mentioned, social distancing, wearing masks are the two biggest things that we need to be doing, and California is not doing the greatest job. Inside stores where it is required, people are wearing masks, but weeks ago, Governor Newsom did require masks anywhere outside, and that rule is not being followed. And because of this, there has been almost an increase of almost 10,000 people in California in the last 24 hours. Exact number, 9,740. That includes the 24-hour tally, plus a 5-day period where they had not reported some of those cases. So even though that is not exactly the 24-hour number, it is still the number that is going on today, and that's almost 10,000 in 24 hours. And because of these numbers, because of the lack of wearing masks, because of the lack of social distancing, Governor Newsom has decided to roll back and halt a lot of the reopening that is happening here in the state of California. There has been an increase of nearly 50% in the past 2 weeks, and so in the last 24 hours, 110 people have actually died from the disease and in the state of California. And hospitals are seeing a big surge in the numbers. 5,100 people currently hospitalized in California, and that is a 43% increase over the past 2 weeks. Now, a few months ago when this first started, California had a better handle on this. We brought in the Navy ship to help with the increase in the demand for hospital beds. That never actually happened, so the ship went away, but now it seems as though the hospitals are starting to be crowded because of all of the increase in cases. So part of the rollout here, or the rolling back on the opening, is 19 counties that are considered high risk have been told to stop a lot of those openings, including restaurants, bars, museums, theaters, movie theaters, zoos. If they cannot allow for outdoor activity, then they must close. They are not allowed to have indoor activity anymore. He did say that officials will not be implementing these specifically, but they will be encouraging businesses to stop, to close down in order to keep the virus under control.
Yeah, keep as much social distancing as possible. But Alyssa, we are coming up to the 4th of July, Independence Day, which normally brings very large crowds together. What do you think will or will not happen in California?
That's right, and a lot of the population of California lives along the coast. So another one of Governor Newsom's decrees was to close beach parking lots in both Los Angeles County and in the Bay Area, San Francisco and Los Angeles being the two biggest cities in the state of California. Now, Los Angeles County has actually gone a step further for this weekend, and all beaches in LA County are closed for the entire weekend. Now, keep in mind that this is one of the most popular outdoor weekends of the year, July 4th, Independence Day. Many people out trying to enjoy the long weekend that starts basically tomorrow evening, or this evening for you, but Thursday evening for us, and the beaches will be completely closed from Friday to Monday, hoping to discourage people from going out and celebrating. And one other thing they have encouraged people to do is to not show the fireworks shows that usually go on during the 4th of July. It's a huge weekend for fireworks. They have asked that those do not happen as well. So trying to do as much as we can in the state of California to prevent any spread of COVID-19.
Indeed, and let's hope that those figures go back in the opposite direction very shortly. Alyssa Caverley, thanks so much for that update on the situation in California.